Check out the Verizon 5G box for business or home. Check out the bottom of it. Extra Cat 5 category connections. All right, we're going to go in here. We're going to find your connection here. Verizon. We're going to go in here, hit connect. You don't, it's up to you. Connect. We're going to put in the password there, which is located underneath here. Connect this one to the laptop. Plug it in. Plug it in. There it is. It's coming up. Do you want to register it? Yes, we want to be a part of it. Let's go try the internet. And it gives a default IP address to go to, but we're going to do speed test. Speed test. This is indoors right now so far. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.